Hello everybody. So this is the Seicane head unit. It's 9.1 inch diagonally, I believe, or they call it the 10-inch head unit. This is for the Honda CRV. For my year of the Honda CRV is 2010. I had this head unit for over 1 year now, and so this is a 1 year review. So my CRV is the 2010 version. And I like this unit so much that I installed the rear camera as well, which works pretty good when I go into reverse mode, and then you go back to park, and then it goes back to the normal more normal main screen. So you can do music. I have two USB dongle, one for the USB stick with all my songs. You can control it with the steering wheel controls. So this is you can control the music here. And then the other USB dongle, which I laid it out in the other side of the car, is I have this OTC for my Apple CarPlay and also the Android Auto. So literally once you plug it in, it automatically pops out Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay if you have an Apple Watch. And there's the radio. So this is the Z box. So once you install that will automatically get you the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay through that through this device here. So I have two USB, one coming out from the bottom here with my music thumb drive. I have a 16 gig thumb drive here, and it comes with the map itself too, the navigation, which is pretty nice. The navigation here, if you don't have any cellular reception, you can get navigation here. So one of the tips that I can provide you is if you're having trouble watching movies. Before it said that the steering you drive in driving mode right now, it wouldn't allow me to watch a movie. But once I'll show you the setting now, but I'm just gonna show you the movie that you can. It's lower than usual. I don't know why, but I downloaded Infinity War here. Oh, I forgot, VLC doesn't work. You have to use their video app, which is right here. So there's Infinity War right here. Like, this is the movie itself, which is pretty cool, right? So I basically put this movie on my thumb drive, and you can watch this movie, when you're waiting for somebody or just chilling in the car. I also downloaded, the chess game here, any Android game. So this device, it's been pretty good so far. You can play chess while you're waiting for somebody, which is pretty cool. You can change its thinking right now. It's kind of slow. Maybe because I put it on more of the moderate to expert level. So this is pretty cool, and it's saves your game, so you can go back to it whenever you want. So which is nice about that app. I tried doing the EasyCon. The EasyCon is basically pointless. It's a screen share from your phone to the screen, but you need to leave your phone screens on. So it basically kind of defeats the purpose, because your phone screen's burning up at the same time you just displaying it on the display. Might as well just use the phone holder here. So I never really utilized that. I try to contact with Seicane for many times about what's the situation with that, but apparently it's just how the app is made. So that app is totally useless. I try to download other map as well before reinstalling this map. So they actually provided me with the APK file, so to install this map again with the 50 states US map on it. So one of the tips that I can give you is, this is the other easy connect that I try to install with the APK file, because before I was troubleshooting this thing and I was getting super annoyed with how this device was, but now I'm loving it. It's been a great head unit so far, and it's there isn't really anything wrong with it at all now. So one of the tips that I can give you is, if you go to settings, am I getting to the right settings? Sorry about that. So there's a tool cabinet, car settings. There you go. You scroll down here, go to car settings, and then you probably would never get any updates on this, to be honest, unless you have your own OS installed to this thing. And then you go to car settings here. So this is where you can adjust and change whether you can watch TV, even when you're in park mode. So you have to go to one of these settings. Just give me 1 second. So back car setting. You have to go to back car setting, and then you need to uncheck the back car assist accelerate. You just uncheck all these, and then you'll be able to watch video on your head unit. Otherwise, it'll even if you're at park mode, they'll say please do not watch while you're driving. So you need to uncheck all these settings. And then radio, steering wheel setting. These are all the other tools here. So these are the standard settings that you have. Back car setting. And then confirm. So there's another system settings. Since I already typed in the password, the password to this is 1617. That's how you can get into this. Before, it just automatically, because I typed in the password before doing this video. So 1617 is the passcode to this. If you guys have any other question regarding this device, please feel free to put some comments below, and I'll answer as soon as possible. I had this device for over a year, so I'm pretty familiar with this device. So if I can help you all to troubleshoot this device, I will be gladly to help. Since I know when I dealt with the company, the Seicane company, they're in the opposite side of the world, and trying to get in touch with them sometimes is really hard, because when I respond to them, it usually takes a day for them to respond, and because it's morning here and it's night over there, vice versa. So thumbs up if you like this video. For more, if you want me to make more videos in the future, comment below as well, and I'll try to make some quick tips and guides for this device. All right, peace.